this is Janet. Try it, like it, create it. And today I am unboxing some goodies from Artesprix. Now later on I'm going to be doing a guest post with them, and that's why they sent me products to work with. But what I wanted to show you that they sent was this protective project mat, which I'm just going to go ahead and open up here because I'm going to use it after I show you everything I am unboxing. So this is a heat protective mat, okay, black, kind of heavy, and it's 9 by 9 inches, okay. So the next thing I got was 2 rolls of this protective paper, and I've opened one up so that I could use some of it. It feels very much like tissue paper, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. Let's run through some of the markers that I got. I have this set here, which is called Nomi Botanicals, and it comes with these colors here. They're sublimation markers. There's 6 markers in here, and it says that I have almond, lavender, mustard seed, poppy, clover, and bark. And so if I just open up the end of the package here, just to give you a show, this is what they look like. All right, so there's the markers. Now, when you draw with these, the color may not look exactly like what it will after you transfer. So it's showing this to you right here on the top of the package that when you color with it, it is a darker color, or the color might be off a bit, but once you transfer it onto the appropriate surface, it lightens up and becomes the color that it says it is. So that's the first package. The next one is all black, but it comes with 2 different of each size. So 6 markers in here. We've got 2 round, 2 fine, and 2 chisel. And if I come in close here, you can see right down here the points or the tips to show you the difference in those markers. The next 6-pack I got is called Pastel, and it has a ballerina, sky, sea foam, cotton candy, mauve, and mint. So here's an example of the colors. And then I got a 10-pack of chisel markers, and I believe this is a pack. I had a package of Artesprix markers, and I think this might be similar to what I already had. But anyway, let's take a look here. We've got 10 chisel markers, and showing you the colors here on the side of the package. They are, you know, your basics. So it looks like we have yellow, pink, a light blue, a dark blue, black, brown, purple, green, orange, and a red. So I don't know the exact names of those of the colors, but that is to show you the different colors that come in this package. All right, let's move on to their stamp pads. So I'm really excited to try this. So I have a sublimation ink in black, and this is the stamp pad. So when you stamp with it and then you transfer it, it's going to be in reverse. So if you're going to use words, they're going to come out in reverse, but images will just, you know, flip and be fine. And then I got an ink, a re-inker for that. All right. And then they sent me a set of stamps, and I'm not sure if you can see all of these, but basically what we're looking at here are the words are backwards. So when you stamp them and then you transfer them, they're going to be correct reading. So it looks like what we have here is friend, hello, peace, love, happy, travel, and wolf. Interesting. All right, and then heat transfer tape. You can't use traditional or regular tape when you're heating it because it will melt, so you need a heat safe tape, and this is the heat tape that they sent. Then to the blanks. Now a blank is something that is prepared to be sublimated onto, so the surface will accept the ink. Not just any surface will work. Okay, so I have plastic keychains here. I have a variety of different tags, and that's what my project is going to be. So I get to pick from these tags which one I'm going to work with. And what I have here is a plastic tag, a metal tag, or a maple wooden tag. And they all have been treated. It comes two in a package, by the way. They all have been treated so that they will accept the sublimation ink. Okay, so not just any product will work. Then we have textured coasters, and there's 4 in the package, so you've got 4 coasters if you want to make them the same or different or whatever. And then a package of bookmarks, and it looks like there's 4 in here, and these are metal. So what I want to show you is that I got this packet a while ago from a trade show to test out their product, and what they sent me was, of course, or gave me, was the metal bookmark. Okay, and that surface is ready to be sublimated onto, and then they gave me one marker. It all came in the same package, and I got a pink marker. And so here is the package. This was inside. That tells you what to do, and then it says to come by their booth so they can show you how it works. But I brought it home, and so what I just did was on a piece of white paper. Now this can be any kind of copy paper. I just kind of doodled some marks, and you can see here that the pink comes out and it looks a little dark on the paper, but when it transfers, it will be, you know, pink. So this reason I opened up my mat was to accept the heat. And then I have the protective paper, and you can hear it's kind of like a tracing paper. All right. And so what you do is you put your project down, in this case the bookmark, and then you put your colored or inked surface on there, and I'm putting it on an angle, and I am just kind of looking here to see what I like and what I've got going on there. So I think I'm good with that. All right, and I'm just going to fold this piece of paper back, and then you can tape this down with the heat protective heat tape if you need to put it in place. I think we're good just like this. All right, and then you can put this in a heat press, or you can use it with a home iron, and I have my iron, or my craft iron, heating up behind me, so let me grab that. And it comes with instructions of if you are going to be using a home iron or a heat press. And heat press, you want to set it at 400. For an iron, you're going to let it set for a home iron, you're going to let it set for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to do that, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Right, so I have had this iron on high for 3 minutes on the bookmark, and so now we're going to reveal. So let me put my iron off to the side and open this up and show it to you. So here is my paper with the doodles, and you can see the color. And then here is the bookmark. I'm not sure if it's hot or not, so I'm just going to do that. And we'll give it a second. It looks like, yeah, it's hot. It looked like I moved a little bit, so the tape would have been helpful, but if I get in close here, you can see where it has kind of a shadow effect, but I kind of like it. I like the look of it. So there is my bookmark. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you before I let you go here is a package of the 10 chisel markers, and here is what each color looks like before it's transferred. So if we take a look here, here is the pink marker, which is obviously what I just used, and you can see that that's the same color. And then once it's transferred onto the appropriate surface, you can see how much lighter and how vibrant pink that really is. So yeah, like I said, I will be back and showing you another project in the future for their design team. But I just want to do this quick demo just to kind of show you what I got in the box and how it worked quickly.